Hi you guys, welcome to My Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're participating in an open collaboration hosted by one of our favorite YouTube friends, Kenya's Decor Corner. Now, the title of this collaboration is Fall Lantern Collab 2020. Let's get started, you guys. As you can see, I'm just using a floral bush. This floral bush was purchased at Walmart last season, and out of this one bush, I'm able to get 2 decorations for my lanterns. So I'm just going to be cutting it, the stems off of it, and deciding which ones I want, which ones look pretty to me. Once I've done that, the next thing I'm going to do is arrange them in an order that I think is most desirable based upon my ribbon choices. So you'll see me here getting the ones that I want, arranging them to my liking. Okay, now that we have them all nice and pretty in our hand, we're going to take 2 zip ties, one for the very top and then another one for the bottom, and we're going to secure our florals. Okay, so we're going to pull up any excess stems and we're going to remove them because we would see them otherwise, and we don't want that. That would not be cute, okay? Okay, you guys, this next step is optional, and only if your lantern will be visible from all sides, then you want to take a pretty piece of ribbon and add it to your little arrangement, and then you'll take it and wrap it around your lantern so that way you don't have all of your mechanics sticking out. Okay, now please be sure to check the description box and go and check out all of the lovely participants that are participating in this collaboration. I'm sure you're in for a treat. And as always, thank you so much for stopping by and visiting with me today. If you liked the video, please give it a like, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you find the video helpful. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, you guys. Be blessed now. Bye-bye.